Hi everyone, this is Keegan from National Powersports Distributors, and today we're taking a look at this 2013 Harley Davidson Electra Glide Ultra Limited. We'll be going through the listing on our website, which you can check out yourself by following the link in the description or going to nationalpowersports.net and searching the item ID in the top left corner. This 2013 Harley Davidson Electra Glide Ultra Limited with 28,139 miles runs well. It comes equipped with ABS, cruise control, a multifunction 4-speaker audio system, and an intercom. It's been upgraded with aftermarket mufflers, a tinted windshield trim, grips, chrome floorboard covers, a fuel door cover, and windshield pouches. We have installed new tires. Powered by a 103 cubic inch V-twin engine, the Electra Glide puts 105 foot-pounds of torque through a 6-speed transmission. With a 6-gallon fuel capacity, the Electra Glide has a 200 to 240 mile range. It has a 29.1 inch seat height and an 896 pound wet weight. To pass New Hampshire state inspection, this Electra Glide will need a quieter exhaust. As mentioned above, this bike does not pass New Hampshire state inspection. We measured this bike's charging output at 12 volts and installed new tires. We took this bike for a test ride and found that it runs, rides, and shifts well. We've posted the service repair order for this bike so you can see the parts and labor we invested in it when we put it through the shop. Because of this bike's age and mileage, we point out everything we consider above normal wear. There are paint chips on the front fender, a scratch on the saddlebags, and a repair blemish on the trunk latch. This bike has 1 key and 1 fob, a clear title, and we have purchased a Cycle Checks vehicle history report. This bike has been through our Select program. It received an inspection, repairs, detail, and comes with a 30-day, 1,000-mile powertrain warranty. For additional program details, please review the program and warranty section in the listing. Additional warranty coverage is also available. We offer nationwide shipping and financing, and we're always interested in trades.
At National Powersports, you can find hundreds of pre-owned motorcycles and powersport vehicles, all with full mechanical and cosmetic condition reports. Work with a team where nobody's on commission, and shop from the comfort of your own home with our nationwide shipping and financing. Come visit us today at our Pembroke, New Hampshire, or Coxsackie, New York locations, or online at nationalpowersports.net.